got the original curtains, but we're hoping to get some matched. This is how we got her back. She came with a casket, which is totally awesome. There's a subwoofer hiding in there. And then here's an amplifier. Not entirely sure how to hook these up, but I will sure learn. There's that replacement curtain. That's one of the originals right there. I do have the original curtain with me to try and match to get a new one. Just gonna need some body repair. That seems very, very minor, which is not too bad. This needs to be repaired as well. Just came with the vinyl thing. Somebody put some stupid skulls up here. A mess they made of it, that's for sure. Luckily I still have the Cadillac Cresta down there. And stupid curtains again. On the back. Which runs pretty good. That's it, just on this side here. And that's her so far.